Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to clean the ink cartridges and improve the print quality of a HP Envy 5020. And this is nice and simple, done from the printer itself, using nothing but the touchscreen that's found on the front of the printer. So first of all, we need to be on the home screen of the printer, which looks like this. If you're not already here, there'll be a home icon lit on the top left-hand side of the screen, which you can press to be taken here. So, first of all, we need to go into Setup, which is represented by this cog icon here. And once we're in there, we need to go into Tools, which is the bottom option. And then we have Clean Cartridges, which is the top option. Press into that, your printer will start the cleaning process. It'll take a couple minutes. And what your printer is doing is pushing ink through the printer's print head to dislodge any dried or congealed ink on the bottom of the cartridges and hopefully improve that print quality. And when it's done with the cleaning process, it'll automatically print out a print quality diagnostic page, which looks like this on my particular machine, purely because I don't have a color cartridge installed. This machine's having an issue. I'm trying to sort for a customer. But with a color ink cartridge installed, you should also have boxes for the cyan, magenta and yellow, which is the three colors used by your printer. And by looking for an absence of those colors or stripes running through there, you can see if there's a blockage and more cleaning is required. Your printer will then take you to this page, and it's basically asking if everything looks okay after that clean, or if you want to do another clean to hopefully push through any really stubborn ink. I'm going to press no because mine looks fine, but if you've got any issues on your page, you can do that, and then you can just carry on doing cleaning cycles and test pages until you're completely happy with the quality of your print. Now, I hope you found this video useful. If you have, let me know with a like. If there's anything else we can help with, drop it down in those comments. Otherwise, thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.